Alright, today I'm gonna make a quick video. I'm here pumping gas and I'm pumping some Shell V-Power. It's usually what I always pump for my 2006 Honda Civic Si. Today is Friday. It is foggy as fuck, but I just wanted to make a quick video. If you want to keep your pistons lubricated, clean from corrosion, your valves clean from corrosion, I suggest you use some Shell V-Power. If you haven't seen what this does to the motor, you're already on YouTube. I suggest you look up what the Shell V-Power does. Lubricates the pistons. It cleans gunk, cleans corrosion, prevents wear, prevents friction, and it has, I think, like 5 times adjectives, or maybe even more. I think it might be a little bit more. So if you're always buying those fuel treatments to clean your injectors, to clean all the valves, to clean all the corrosion, like the gunk, and yeah, man, this will do it right here, and it cleans you at every pump full. And believe it or not, I actually feel power difference on this. This right here has hella more power. Sweet. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.